my video. So for that we have to select this revolve protrusion and select the front view, and you have to draw the diagram as per the standard dimensions. So now select the total length of the cup is 42. It is given 40. Type the 42. Next, so here a total length is 65 is given. So 65 divided by 2, so nothing but 32.5. So now, so down from this end to here we have to one more, which is called as 45 length. So 45 divided by 2, so nothing but it is 22.5. Next, you have to join these two lines. Now select the offset method. So here chain is there. Instead of chain you have to select the single. So type distance as 6, already it is there. So type, then you go to select the line, enter, and select the arrow mark inside. Now with help of line command from the center you have to draw the one more line of a length 12. It is clearly mentioned on the sketch. So 12, enter it. So this side it is 11.25. so enter. Now you have to drag this line downwards. With help of extend to next, you have to extend this line. Now we have to trim, now you have to trim the unwanted lines. So this line I don't want it, you have to trim it. Okay, next this line. So these two lines, these lines, and this one. So this line, whatever the line unwanted lines are there, just you have to trim it. Afterwards you have to select the axis of revolution. So y-axis as axis of revolution, then return it. So just you have to type the angle, nothing but 360, enter. Click it and finish it. One cutout command, select the cutout command and you have to select the side plane of the object. From the center of the circle you have to draw the circle of a radius or of a diameter 10. So type the 10 and enter it. So go to the return options. So we need this cutout symmetric extension is there, so better you have to get the symmetric extension and you have to cut it. So finish it. Similarly, once again you have to select the cutout command. Earlier you are selected the right, now we have to select the front plane. So same process, circle by center point. So select the center point of this circle and enter the radius or enter the diameter is equal to 10. So enter it, go through the return. So here symmetric is there, select the symmetric, finish it. So after that you have to click on the constructions of the display. So hide the planes. Okay, so now you can hide, Control I. Now your